In this video, I'm showing you how to format iPhones perfectly if in case you are selling your mobile or giving it to someone. The first thing you need to do is back up all the important data to external hard drive or the iCloud. So you don't need to worry after formatting the iPhone. After doing this, connect to internet. Now open the settings. On the top, it shows the iCloud. Open that and log out from it. This is a very important step before formatting the iPhone. Scroll down to the last, there it shows the sign out option. After clicking that, it asks for the iCloud password. Just type your password and click turn off in the top right corner. Then it asks you to keep a copy of your data on this iPhone. You can select this option if in case you want, otherwise click on sign out. It takes a couple of seconds to remove the iCloud from your iPhone. Now iCloud is successfully removed from the iPhone. Also, one more thing you need to take care here is the apps you installed on your iPhone is not going to be there after formatting. I mean the data. Make sure to synchronize the data, especially the social media apps that include WhatsApp chats, media, etc. To format the mobile, go to settings, scroll down and select the general tab. Scroll down to the last, there you see the option called transfer or reset iPhone. Select that. Here, select erase all content and settings. Now click on continue. Here select the erase iPhone option. That's all. It takes a couple of minutes to complete the format of the iPhone. After that, a hello screen will be shown like the new iPhone that is unboxed from the box. This is how you format the iPhones perfectly without any issues or interruptions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips and tricks followed by gadget reviews and video editing tips in this channel. See you again in the next video.